Hi everyone. The Gibraltar Federation of Small Business, in conjunction with Infinity Learning, will be running another training course on the 22nd and 23rd of this month. The course is called Project Management Fundamentals. Now, this course is designed for project managers who are fairly new into the role of project management, or for people who have ideas on how to better utilize skills or ideas within their current organization, but really don't know how to go about putting it into place. What we're going to be covering on this course, we're going to be looking at defining a project and project management. So exactly what is it? How projects can benefit you and your organization. Project life cycles. So what do we actually mean by project life cycles? Selling your own project ideas. The role and skills necessary for a project manager. Creating a vision. Setting goals, particularly project goals. Project planning worksheets. So how does the individual pieces of work get planned and executed in sequence? We'll have a look at that. And we'll look at something called the statement of work. So what exactly is a statement of work? What does it actually mean? We'll have a look at that. There will be some pre-course work for those of you attending this course. What I'm looking to ascertain is from the people who are attending the course, what I want you to be thinking about is either a project you are currently working on at the moment, and bear in mind we really want this to be a small project, not a large project, but a small project you're currently working on at the moment. I want you to bring us the fundamentals of that project and where you are in the project life cycle, so we can discuss it on the course and perhaps help you streamline statements of work and workflow. If you're not currently working on a project at the moment, I want you to have ideas of projects that you would like to see implemented into your organization. So come with the ideas and at least some form of loose structure, because you're going to have to sell that idea to your boss. If that idea is going to require funding, then there needs to be a plan of how you're going to sell that to your boss. What model did you use to come up with the financing, the costing of this idea? Because one of the first things your boss is going to be thinking of is, how much is this going to be costing me? So there needs to be some sort of cost analysis. So we want to have a look at that. That's for the pre-course work. This course will start at 9 o'clock. So those of you who've been on my courses, you know I start at 9 o'clock sharp and we finish at 1 o'clock. I look forward to seeing you on either the 22nd of May or the 23rd of May. This is a half-day course, so we're running it over 2 days, so you don't have to attend both days unless you want to. So just once again, Project Management Fundamentals being run on the 22nd of May or the 23rd of May at the GFSB, which is 122 Irish Town. There is some pre-course work which Jenny will be sending you out in the next few days. I look forward to seeing you, for those of you who can make it, on either the 22nd or 23rd. If you have any questions whatsoever with regards to what I'm looking for the pre-course work, please contact Jenny either via email, via Facebook, via LinkedIn, or via the website. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all on the 22nd or 23rd. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.